Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stunning 508 SW in the GT line specification. So this car has 18-inch alloy wheels, full LED headlights, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got this lovely half leather interior with heated front seats. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. There's also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control and speed limiter. On top of this there's some great safety features too, including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 2-litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 160 horsepower. It's got an 8-speed automatic gearbox, done less than 10 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.